Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Raw Life Health Show. And I just wanted to get on here and talk a little about what it means to be living when you're eating a healthy diet and a lifestyle. We just came out of a cold spell here in South Florida, and it was nowhere near as cold as it was in other parts of the United States. But a lot of people got sick. A lot of people got the flu, or whatever you want to call it. A lot of people were down. And even in my own household, my daughters, they went to their friends and they came home and they had colds and they were sick and they were out of it for like 2 or 3 weeks. They were not feeling well. And for me, I was fine. I was fine. And in most households, people that don't have, if you want to call it good immunity or whatever you want to call it, if they're not healthy, they will catch a so-called cold. And the raw food diet and lifestyle or living healthy will not prevent you from being susceptible to getting a germ or catching something, but it will reduce your chances tremendously. So I'm not saying I'll never get sick or I'll never get a cold if my daughters bring one home from their friend's house or something. But I am saying it greatly reduces the possibility of that happening. Because when your body is clean, it's allowed to do what it was designed to do, and you want to call that immunity and fighting off disease, or you just want to call that working efficiently, whatever you want to call that. It allows the body to work to its fullest potential. But when the body's consistently having to cleanse and combat foreign obstacles and things that you're putting in your body, uh, it's not going to have the energy to do what it needs to do to help keep your body healthy. So, besides the amazing mental sharpness, the amazing physical energy, that's also another thing that people don't account for. Now, people say, well, can't I just eat a somewhat healthier diet and I don't have to go all raw and I could experience this? Absolutely. But the more you go, is the more your reward's going to be. And going on a 100% raw diet and doing it the right way, not overeating, not eating late at night, getting the food as fresh as possible, this is going to put your body in the best situation to thrive best as possible. And I just really want people to understand this, because there's the ultimate big impacts of, well, hey, I'm not going to get the same diseases, like the major diseases that I would have gotten. Again, it's not going to completely make sure you don't, because there's no panaceas out there 100%, but it's going to greatly reduce the chances. Or even more important, so let's say somebody gets cancer at 70 years old and they're eating somewhat healthy. Well, maybe their body was so messed up from so long ago, from all the garbage they did, that if they weren't eating healthy or didn't change their lifestyle, they would have maybe got cancer at 50 years old. So by eating healthy, they possibly prolong 20 years of their life. There's so many advantages to eating the way we were designed to eat. And when you start getting away from that and start eating more processed food and start living a more complicated life, you put yourself in a position that makes it harder to stay healthy. And my goal of eating healthy is because I hate being sick. I don't want to do that to myself. I hate being sick. I hate being down. I love my life. I love what I do. And I don't want to be sick and stuck in bed because of something I did to create or that happen. An accident is an accident. If I do something, fall off a ladder or get in a car accident, I only have so much control over that. But what I put in my body, knowing it affects how I'm going to be able to function, I know I have complete control over that. And this is why I'm going to do the research and find the best things possible for myself. And I'm going to try to live every day to its fullest, literally. And to do that, I need to keep my body as healthy as physically possible. And to do that, I'm going to forgo the taste of junk food and processed food and candies. And I'm going to seek out the best tasting, natural, whole foods to put my body in the best position to thrive. And that's what I recommend people do. So, I'm here to help you do that as well. Whether you're sick and you've been diagnosed with an illness, or you just want to eat healthier to avoid getting sick, I'm here to help you. So I hope this information does help you. And if you have specific questions on what you could do to get better or stay healthy, just contact me and ask your questions below the videos if you want to make a video on a particular topic or something. All right, everybody. Until then, I hope you're doing all well out there. I'll have more videos coming up soon. And have a great day and a great world life.